with the lab here, as well as some of my vehicles out in the field, we're really trying to understand how people behave with new technologies and how some of the cognitive demands of technology on the road impacts driver behavior and individuals' performance on the roadway. We look at measures such as visual attention or eye tracking to understand how people allocate their visual attention to the roadway in the interior of the vehicle. So in terms of eye tracking, there's really two types of behaviors we're looking at. One, where do you glance? How much time do you spend looking off the road? Those time is greater than 1.6 or 2 seconds, depending on what literature you read. Knowing that increased glances off the roadway are associated with accidents. Second, we're looking at the impact of cognitive demand on how people perceive information from the roadway. So as cognitive workload increases, we actually become much more focused on what's in front of us and looking out the front of the window of the vehicle, much like a dead stare. Using measures such as heart rate, we can look very, very minutely at changes in demand in the car. And when we look among healthy older adults in their 20s, 40s, and 60s, surprisingly, we see very little difference in cardiovascular reactivity to demand. In essence, there are no age effects. Health or health status and the number of diseases, medications that you might be managing are really the defining part. So in essence, a perfectly healthy 75-year-old is far more capable of driving a vehicle than a 55-year-old managing 3 chronic conditions and taking a number of medications at the same time.